Hey everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic day. This is Logan with Free Spirit Recreation. I'm here to showcase to you our 270 Awning and Annex. Fantastic product, one of our top in the lineup. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Before we get to the awning, let's start with how it actually attaches to the vehicle or the tent. We have two different types of brackets. These are sold separately. This is our awning bracket that goes directly to any hard shell tent, slides right into the channel and mounts. How we have this one mounted right here is our L-shaped brackets that comes with the awning. It's super easy, attaches just about any crossbar or platform rack through the channel system on those racks. You just slide the bolts through, attach the awning, and you're good to go. So moving on, we're going to be looking at the cover. It's a 600G PVC cover. That means this encasement is totally waterproof and weather resistant, but it's also extremely durable and holds up to any of those tree branch scratches you might run into. Long story short, this thing's going to hold up the test of time. Okay, so the awning is sealed up with a heavy-duty zipper. You can find it at the front of the awning, and you just kind of pull it down like so and back to get to the awning. And then we're going to hop up here real quick. Push that over and push it over. Well, let's go ahead and open this thing up and showcase it to you. All right, so once you've pushed the cover back and away from the awning, you're gonna notice 4 different straps along it that are Velcro based, and you're just gonna kind of undo these. Super easy. Once it unrolls, it's gonna wanna fold itself out. You kind of grab this strap right here. You just kind of bring it all the way around and attach it to just about anything. You can attach it to your wheel, to your rack, to your tent. You just kind of attach it and then tighten it up. And just like that, it's all set up. So one of the coolest features of the 270 awning is that it's entirely freestanding. And what that means is that you don't have to drop down poles and set them into place. The whole thing actually supports its own weight, and it does this at only 37 pounds. Now that's the lightest weight awning on the entire market. We're extremely proud of it. There's a strict vehicle weight limit that you just can't breach, and keeping a low weight awning on there helps you get around that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the fabric. So it's a 600 denier Oxford ripstop. In simple terms, that means that it's extremely weather resistant and durable. Any rainfall that you're gonna have is gonna move right off. We've actually provided here at the corner a kickstand that just goes up like so. And that helps the water flow just right off the edges, no pooling. It's fantastic. Some of you guys might be wondering about the wind and how this thing handles. Well, I can promise you we've put it through rigorous testing in high wind conditions, and it's held up to everything that we've thrown at it. We also provide with every awning a stake and ropes for tie down points. We'll go ahead and show you how that goes in. All you're gonna have to do is put this little piece through here and thread it, wrap it around the stake, and then we'll hammer it right on in. All right, so that's our 270 awning from Free Spirit Recreation. We're really excited about this thing. It's fantastic. Like I was saying earlier, it is the lightest weight one on the market at only 37 pounds. That means you're gonna be able to put it on just about anything. It's also extremely durable and weather resistant. Let's go ahead and move on into our Annex. This thing is phenomenal as well. It's a great way to increase your interior space at your campsite. It's sold separately, but let's go ahead and dive in deeper. Okay, so while the awning is stored on your vehicle in its case, the Annex actually comes in a separate bag. So we'll just unzip this real quick and we'll pull it on out. So setting up the Annex could not be easier. So all you're gonna have to do is attach the Annex to this leading edge around the awning. There's Velcro here, it goes right in. But first you're gonna wanna make sure to set this Annex in its proper position. Let's go ahead and do that. The next step is going to be to drop down the poles. Now, each Annex that you purchase comes with these poles that attach to the swing out arms. They're super easy to attach, and you're gonna drop all of these down. They come on the inside of the Annex. All right, so once you've set the poles up, you're gonna go ahead and attach the Velcro from the Annex to the awning. Let's go ahead and do that right now. The next step is going to be to stake out each of the corners into the ground. Welcome inside the 270 Annex. You can already see that there is a ton of room in here. I mean, you can set up a kitchen over here, sleeping cots for the kids down here. Overall, you've got an entirely new amount of space that you didn't have previously. It's a great addition to any rooftop tent or just any campsite in general. You'll notice that there are 6 total windows around the entire thing with 1 large entrance at the back. This gives a great view of your surroundings, but can also be closed up to ensure a nice and private camping experience. They also come with bug mesh to help keep all those bugs out. We've got several windows throughout the back that allow access to the vehicle. So we have one here on the side. If you have like a 4Runner or a RAV4 or anything like that, you're gonna be able to go right into the door to get in there. If you're on a truck, the back is phenomenal too, because you can unzip it and gain access to your truck bed, just like that. Okay, so the 270 Annex does come with a floor if that's what you're looking for. It also attaches with Velcro to the bottom of the Annex, similar to how the top of the Annex attaches to the awning. We'll go ahead and set that up real quick. So we've gone ahead and put the flooring in and set up the entire campsite how we like to do it. It's really up to you what you want to do and how you want to put it all together. For us, we've put the kitchen in here. I mean, you could put a cot down here and sleep extra people. There's a lot of usable space that allow you to do this. I hope that you've enjoyed the kind of quick walk around of the Annex and the awning. Both are fantastic products. The 270 is great as a standalone, and the Annex can just kind of enhance the overall experience of camping. If you got any questions or concerns, please give us a call. We're always here to help. And as always, happy camping.